All right guys, so we're gonna put that SRT again, just little stuff that we missed, the badge, the cover here, that right there as well, just little stuff. Again, I'm gonna see if I can get them done today. Okay, look at that, man. Yeah, now we gotta do the things on the side. Guys, so we got the SRT on 392. Same thing with the other side. There we go, 392. I know I have to, there's still some of that white stuff I have to remove, which is fine. And we still got the SRT-8. The only thing I gotta do is just put the bottom diffuser, put the thing that goes under here, and I still got the back of the hood cover, whatever it is. So all we gotta do now is just go to the, what they call it, discount tire, and get that light fixed. I'm pretty sure it's one of my tires that are flat. And I guess put the back door for that one, and we will be set to go. It says my door's not closed. There we go. And I'm pretty sure the key fog is low. I can guarantee you that is. And yeah, I know guys, I don't have my SRT. I took it off. I gotta put it back. So yeah, right now we're going to the store for that. Yeah, let me see if I can get the key closer. Okay guys, so discount tire, there we go guys, good to go. So I think it was just a sensor that was just bad. He just, no, not bad, but it wasn't programmed. So that's all my guy did, and it is good to go. Again guys, look at that, 38,000 miles on it guys, no lights on it. Thing is basically spanking. It even smells good in here, man. Like I just put the badge, I gotta just put a little bit of glue just because I popped it out. But besides that guys, man, this thing is good. This thing is ready to go. So just little stuff I have to fix real quick. Gonna get a quick wash and put the thing in the front, and see if I can put the diffuser in the back, and it should be good to go guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, so day 2 of, again, putting the stuff. Like I said, the only thing I gotta put is the fuse in the back, the fog light covers, and the thing that goes, where's it at? I think that part, it goes right there. So this is not that hard. Like I said, I just put the thing under here, which is right here. When he painted it, he didn't put it, which is all good. And then fix this right here. I'm assuming it broke one side. Yeah, because the other side looks good. So I'm gonna see if I can get that fixed. But besides that, this thing's looking clean, man. Like I said, the badges are all good. Same thing with the SRT-8 right there. The only thing I gotta do is just go to my Hellcat and see if I can pull out the thing under here. But again, besides that, it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah guys, I'm gonna hop on it and get this thing ready. Okay, so if you look, we got the fog lights installed, we got that installed. And I think the reason why I keep getting clean lenses, because I looked into it and the harness is actually pulled, not pulled, but the cable, some of them are ripped. So I think I just have to solder that, and it's gonna be good to go. But besides that, I bought this kit from Amazon. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the kit's cool. It's literally like the OEM. I'm just mad they don't give you like an L shape. Like if you look at this right here, I already put it in there, but you see how that one comes with the L shape? No, the one that they provide, it's like this, which kind of sucks, because now I have to get the one that comes with the 3 and cap the end. That way no water gets out of there and just go from here, which is kind of silly, but it'll definitely do its job. Guys, let me know what you guys think. We got the, I don't even know what these things are, covers, the hood covers. We got, what is the hood cover too? I don't even know what the hell these things are called, the terms actually. And we got the pins where they spit out water. If you guys know the terms, let me know. But besides that, we finally took out the little two-sided tape that was on there, so that's good. But yeah, overall she is looking mighty fresh. Let me close this real quick. Well, that did not work as I wanted to. All right, there she is, guys. So yeah, there we go. Now that looks like a true SRT-8. Let me show you guys the back. Looks like we finally put the diffuser. There it is. Last thing I gotta do is just change this headlight. See how there's water in there? Gotta change that. Yeah, it's really moist. Not moist, but moisture in there. So yeah, let me change that, and should be good to go, guys. Gotta take some pictures. Oh yeah, I gotta change that door. Just gotta put that panel. You see that? Put that panel, and we are set to go and go take some pictures real quick. Guys, sorry, I took the door panel from that. There she is. Whoops. There it is. So I'm just gonna install it, and she should be ready to go. Oh yeah, I gotta put that speaker though. Give me 1 second. Guys, car is done. Well, 99% done. I'm just missing one part, and that's the wheel well that goes behind the wheel. Whatever. I'm just waiting for the part to come in here, but it's just a simple clip on. But it says that car is done. Let me show you how this thing looks like. Guys, there she is, man. Look at that. Oh, that's with the fog lights and the SRT, it just completes it. And then the thing in the bottom, whatever that is, the camera, that thing is done. Look at this thing, guys. I am gonna go and get some pictures, but we got the 392 with the Brembos. Clean. Look at this, guys. We put the diffuser in the bottom. We got the tail light fixed because there was water in it. Even the door inside is good to go, guys. Look at this thing, guys. This thing is nasty. Sunroof. Again, this thing is clean. Again, let me pop the trunk real quick. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Got all that, all the clips in. I'm pretty sure the water works. I just don't want to press it because I'm pretty sure. And then for some reason this thing, gotta press it hard for it to close. But yeah, this thing is good to go. What else? Oh yeah, the trunk. I said clean as well. Vacuumed it. Look at that, man. Like I said, guys, we try to put as much detail as we can with when building this thing, man. But besides that, I'm gonna put in the garage. Well, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go take some pictures real quick, post it on anywhere, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. But yeah, guys, there she is. If you guys have any questions, concerns, again, let me know. Like I said, the thing has 38,000 miles on it, so spanking new. But yeah, guys, reach out to me if you guys have any questions or concerns. Let me know if I should sell that baby too or not. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.